There's actually a variety of ways that students can come to understand decimal and their place value, and today we'll be going over a couple of those. The first strategy that we are going to use to begin learning decimal place value are base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks give you a visual learning idea. They allow you to visually see the sample in front of you. These are known as units. They represent one single unit or 0.01. Next, we have longs. They represent 10 units or 0.10. Finally, we have flats. They represent 100 units or 1.00. So if I give you the decimal 0.49, that would be represented by 4 longs and 9 single units. Together, they make up the decimal 0.49. Next, let's use the number 1.32. This number would be represented by 1 flat, 3 longs, and 2 single units. That equaling 1.32. Strategy for learning decimal place value can be used by something we use on a daily basis. Money. Money is a very good representation so that you guys can understand how decimal place value works. First, let's start with our pennies. They collect dust everywhere, but they do have value. Their value is 0.01, 0.01 cents. They represent one single unit. Let's move on to our dimes. Our dimes equal 10 cents, and in place value, they equal 10 units. So a dime's value is 0.10. Lastly, let's use one single dollar. $1 equals 100 cents. So, $1 equals 100 units, or 1.00. Despite the hundreds of ways there is to possibly understand place value or decimal place value, these are just a couple of examples that you could possibly use to better understand it. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Thank you.